Hello everyone, my name is Aman Garg. I have been working as a Salesforce developer from the last 2.5 years. I am 5x Salesforce certified and 2x Copado certified. I am also a corporate Salesforce trainer and Salesforce mentor to provide guidance in the Salesforce.
Welcome to the SF Learner YouTube channel, and in this channel we will be providing the best examples or the best real-time scenarios hands-on so that you can learn very easily. So in the series of real-time hands-on example, today we will dive into the new real-time example of the lead conversion, which is automate the process without any human effort. So before that, first we need to understand that how the lead is created. So the lead is created through social media platforms, like lead is created through LinkedIn, lead is created through Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, any website. And now whenever the lead is came, at that time the new lead created in the Salesforce system or in the Salesforce org. And when the new lead is created, at that time, the requirement is that whenever the new lead is created in the system, the lead is automatically converted in the contact accounts and opportunities. Everyone knows that human will do this manually to convert the lead. So let's see that how to convert the lead manually. So just go to the lead object and I'm show you that how the lead is converted manually. So just open any lead. Human will just click on the converted and just select converted in status. Then after that it will asking that we need to create account, contact or opportunities. If we don't need to create any opportunities, then we just need to select this checkbox and click on the convert. So the lead is converted in the account, contact and opportunities, but it will consume time. So to remove the this dependency, we will see that whenever the lead is created in the system, at that time how it is automatically converted in the contact, opportunities and the accounts. So for that, first we need to create Apex trigger and the Apex class. So I have already written this Apex trigger and Apex class. I am just show you the code of the trigger and the class. But don't worry, I will share the code of this Apex trigger and the Apex class with you. So you can get this code or get this solution in the description. So I am just creating new Apex trigger, which is on the lead object. And my trigger name is auto lead converted handler trigger. Just click on the save button and I am just inserted the code. So this trigger will work after insert, and also it will check that if the lead source is equal web, at that time it will call the handler class. If the lead source is not the web type, then it will not call the handler class. Now we will create the handler class, which is useful to convert this lead in the contact, opportunities and account. So I am also writing this code. So this is the handler class which is called from this particular trigger. whenever the new lead is inserted in the system. Now we will see that the code is working properly or not. How can we check? I am just creating new lead, that Mr. Sashank Bansal. The company name is test and the lead source is web. If I just click on the save button, what do you think? The lead is converted or not? Yes, the lead is converted in the contact, account and opportunities. When you hit the save button, the lead is not open. It open the contact and you can see the related account which is associated to this particular contact. So I am just open this test account. So this is the test account which is associated for this particular contact. And you can see there is also opportunity, that is a test. So this is a process which is not taken much more time to convert the lead whenever the lead is inserted. And now we will see that if I create another lead, that is miss testing user, and the company name is testing, and the lead source is partner referral. What you think? The lead is converted or not? No. If I just hit the save button, the lead is not converted in the contact, opportunity and account. You can see when you hit the save button, at that time it will redirect to the lead, not the contact. Why? Because we have already defined one condition, that if the lead source is equal web, at that time it will automatically converted. If the lead source is not a web, then this lead is not converted in the contact, accounts and opportunities. If you have a business requirement that whenever the lead is inserted and the lead sources web, phone referral or any other sources, at that time the lead is automatically converted, then you can add the condition in the if condition. And after that you can see that if the lead is type of another resources, then lead is automatically converted in the contact, account and opportunities. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of lead conversion, which is very useful if you are working in a sales team. And if you like this video, then please do like, comment and subscribe for the new upcoming scenarios or the new upcoming videos related to the Salesforce admin or the Salesforce development.